Data record before treatment. Mark taboo area on the treatment area. Apply gel on the treatment area. Get the body treatment tip and install it. Get the treatment started. Treatment area should be on the marked area. Treat one side with going over twice. Treatment done and remove gel. RF treatment can be applied after treatment. RF oil need to be applied. RF can accelerate the blood circulation and metabolism. RF can be done twice a month. Hifu can be done once a month.